dish that I'm making tonight is a chocolate pot with a coconut and duck fat mousse with raspberries. When I was told I was on the dessert, I was very nervous. I am not a baker, I don't make desserts, but I guess I was keen to pick up some new skills. So the dish starts with a base of dark chocolate sauce which has been set. For the coconut mousse, we whip together coconut cream, duck fat and sugar. There's also dried raspberries and fresh raspberries in there. A kitchen tip that I got out of this was you can use duck fat in a dessert. I used to think it was mainly for frying and be a mains, but you still get a really rich result and it was lovely. I actually feel quite confident serving that dish to some of Melbourne's foodies. Something you could probably whip up that would look very impressive for your guests without them really knowing that it was pretty easy to do.